Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going through some of the skincare and makeup related shopping that I've done in the recent days. Actually this is shopping that I've done from December till now. So there were a lot of sales which I have seen over this period, and some of the products that I wanted to try, so I wanted to share it with you what all I got. I'll just start picking up from my basket. I have a huge one right here. So the first thing that I have is the Nykaa Wanderlust French Lavender Shower Gel. So this is how it looks. It's kind of a clear shower gel and it comes in a pretty bottle like this one. It's not very overpowering smell. It's pretty nice and mild. So I'm really looking forward to using this one. Like, you can never have enough of shower gels and I always want to try some new options. So yeah, this is the first time I'm trying the Nykaa one. So I'm hoping that will be good. Next thing that I got is the Bath & Body 1000 Wishes 24-hour Ultra Shea Body Butter or Body Cream. This is how it looks. I think this comes in a very beautiful packaging, which is all gold and starry, and it smells beautiful. If you have watched my Nykaa hauls in the past, then I already bought their 1000 Wishes mist and I really like it, and this smells exactly like that, and the smell lingers for a very long time, so you will smell like this one the entire day. The next thing that I got was this Sanfe Natural Intimate Spray. So this is how it looks. So I was kind of intrigued and interested into this product. So basically this helps you stay fresh anytime, anywhere. So basically if you're traveling, if you feel that you need some freshness, then you can just use this spray. I haven't tested it at the moment, so I can't say how it works. This is basically lavender, and this has lavender and tea tree. It helps you control odor, it soothes and freshens. So that's exactly, I think, a lot of times we want, and probably not so much in winters, but definitely now when the summers will be there, I'm really looking forward to this product. It will really help. Is this Indulgio Luxuriant Hair Vitalizer. So this is how it looks. Again, I bought this one as well on recommendation from Shreya Jain. So this is basically something that helps you to revitalize your hair if you faced a lot of hair fall. So I did face a lot of hair fall about 2 months back in October. So I've been looking at something that will help me get improve or get back some of the hair loss that I have faced. So this basically is an exotic mix of essential oils like rosemary, lavender, tulsi, ginger root and various of the rare dry extracts. This is clinically proven botanical breakthrough that stops hair loss and helps in promoting hair growth. So stopping hair loss, I'm not sure that much about it. If you have severe hair loss, you should definitely reach out to a dermatologist. But I think something I'm basically looking at the promoting of hair growth properties from this product. So I haven't used it, but definitely I'm going to be sharing my review on this one, if it works or not, and if any one of you is facing this issue, then will it help or not. So this one retails for 1000 rupees. If it works, it would be definitely worth it, but if it does not, it will be saddening. The next thing that I have is this Pure Sense Relaxing Macadamia Soothing Body Mist. So this is how it looks. So this is a 100 ml bottle, and this is how the bottle looks from inside. It's a glass bottle, very nice, and it has this wooden texture right here. It looks very beautiful and superb. It smells something like apples. It smells very nice. It's actually macadamia, and I haven't smelled macadamia in my real life, so I don't know how it smells like, but you can use it to spray on your body or on your clothes as well, and it's going to linger a very long time. The next thing that I got is this Macadamia Soothing Sleep Spray. So this is how it looks. So of lately, some months back, I was facing a lot of issue in terms of sleeping. I could not sleep very well, so I was looking for a spray mist or something that would help me sleep better, and this one did. So what you have, this is how it looks. So again, similar kind of packaging to that one. That one was a clear bottle, this is a white bottle, you can see, but again it has this wooden texture. So this is how it looks. It really looks very nice and cute, but it's a very small bottle, and this one is actually only what, 15 ml. I think the Pure Sense products are a little expensive, on the expensive side, but yeah, I think this one has worked really nice for me on the day. If I feel a little bit of anxiety, I'm not able to sleep well, I think this has really helped me. What you have to do is just you know, spray it on your pulse points, like on your wrist here, then at the back of your ear, on your neck, and it will help you sleep better. I think this has helped me a lot. So if you are someone who faces issues in sleeping, then you can definitely give it a try. Now when I had bought these two things, at that time there was an offer going on I think it was like 1500 if you buy something above 1500. So I got this pouch free. This is so beautiful, like it's very luxurious kind of a bag, and then it has a gold chain. So it is a very good you know, good quality bag, and it has a lot of space from within. There is a cushioning as well, so you can definitely use it as your travel accessory, or you can just keep it inside your bag to create kind of you know, a smaller bag within your bigger bags to organize your bag. So but then it looks very nice. I'm not sure if you can see or the camera is picking up, but it has a beautiful lights, you know, it has a very nice satiny texture. So gifts are always welcome. Next thing that I got is this lemongrass essential oil from Nykaa. I have bought other essentials oils as well in the past from Nykaa. I have the lavender one, I have the frankincense one. So the lavender one smells amazing, beautiful, out of the world. This one as well, I have high hopes. I love you know, placing this oil lamps in my house so that it gives a good nice fragrance. So the lemongrass is the love of my life. This is one fragrance that I think nobody can go wrong with. It's a little strong, but what you could do is dilute it more if you feel too strong about it. But yeah, this one I am really looking forward to use this one, so I bought this one. The next thing that I've got is the Kaya White Luminous Brightening Beads Cleanser. So this is how it looks. It's a simple plain packaging with Kaya written here. So this is basically with AHA, vitamin B3 and E for all skin types. So I have used it once or twice actually. I'm happy with the ingredients. It has lactic acid, which is your AHA. Then it has niacinamide, it's a magic ingredient. It does have a perfume, but it's a kind of washable product, so it doesn't matter a lot. But I think this said it was a beads cleanser, but to be honest with you, I did not like the quality of beads. I did feel that they are a little harsh, so maybe you will have to be very gentle using it. But in the first 2 times that I've used it, I have not liked it. I'm not into a lot of exfoliating, like so to say physical exfoliators nowadays, so I'm not very happy with it. I just try and use it maybe on my body and finish with it, but was not happy. So this is something that if you're not into a lot of physical exfoliation, then you will not probably like the beads of it. They are a little harsh, so don't go for this one. Okay, the next thing that I have is this Timeless Ferment Snail Eye Mask from Tony Moly. So this is how it looks. So I was looking for an eye mask. I just wanted to try it once. I have never tried any eye mask till yet, so I wanted to try this one. So this was not very expensive. I think this was 200 rupees, something like that, and it was on discount at that time, or maybe there was an offer where you were buying 2 things from Tony Moly and there was 1 free. So this is one thing that I got, and the next thing that I got was this Kiss Kiss Lovely lip patch. So again, this felt like a very, you know, intriguing product, so I definitely wanted to try it. That's why I bought it. Again, as I said, this retails for 150. I don't remember exactly what was the deal, but yeah, I got these 2. So the next thing that I got is this vegan brush and sponge bath from Code Beauty Bianca. So this is how it looks. So I basically bought this on recommendation of Shreya Jain. I think I have bought a lot of things that she recommends. So there was a deal going on this. This is retails for 900, but I think there was some deal going on this where I got this in 600 rupees, I think 500 or 600 rupees. So this one is 100% natural, paraben free, cruelty free, sulfate free, antibacterial. So I think it was a great option to try for our brush cleaner, so that's why I got it. With the other Code Beauty product, I had got this antibacterial cosmetic disinfectant. Basically, if you want to quickly spray onto your brushes and on a quick go, and you don't want to wash it, or basically you don't have time to wash it, then you can use it as a quick alternate. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to wash your brushes. You still have to wash your brushes. The only thing is it can give you a quick or a temporary cleanup to your brushes. So I definitely thought that it was a great idea to try. So yeah, what you have to do is just spray it on your product and just wipe it with a fiber cloth or anything like that. Then the last or the only things that I got from the makeup section, so basically this is the Flower Light Illusion foundation. So I had heard great thoughts about it, specifically from the Western YouTubers. So I was really excited to try this one. Now this one is very light for my complexion as well, so I'll kind of have to mix it or make it work somehow. But I think there was a huge deal that was going on. This one retails for 990, but then I think I got this for 500 rupees, something like that. But since I've heard great reviews about it, I definitely wanted to try it, and only this shade was available. But I thought I will manage it somehow, mix it with some of the other darker foundation and make it work. So I'm hoping that I can make it work. But this is how it looks, and it comes in a glass bottle, and then there is Flower Beauty logo that is here on a rose gold kind of a tag, and then it opens like this. It comes with a pump, so again very user friendly. So yeah, I will use it and I will let you know how it worked. The last thing that I got is this Biotic Natural Makeup Star Shimmer Glam Gloss. So this is how it looks. Again, this had great ratings and reviews, and it's a very affordable gloss. So this is rupees 450, but I think there was some deal that was going on as well. So this is how it looks, like pretty basic packaging, glass bottle, then this brown cap which has a silver ring to it. So this is how it looks. This is in the shade Butterfly Wings N307. Let me just quickly give you a swatch. Let me just put it, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it doesn't smell very overpowering. So it has a very light color to it, but yeah, this is how the gloss looks. I don't know if you can make out the glossiness, but I don't know if you can look at my lips and make out the glossiness. So I do like the glossiness of it, as what I can see. So I will try and test, but I think for the amount that you're paying, you can definitely go ahead and try it. So yeah, that was all guys. This was everything that I bought and I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. Until we meet the next time, take care.